હેલો વેલકમ છે, સ્વાગત છે આપ સૌનું મારી ચેનલ પર. એન્ડ તમને કહ્યું હતું કે આઈ વિલ કમ આઉટ વિથ ધ સોલ્યુશન. ઓકે, તો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, હું તમારા માટે સોલ્યુશન લઈને આવ્યો છું. એન્ડ પ્લીઝ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ધીસ channel and I will be coming up with another solution also. Okay, it takes time, it takes me 5 to 6 hours to prepare a solution. Okay friends, so please subscribe and share this video with your friend. You have to do only one thing, just share this video with all your friends. Okay, બધા જ મિત્રો સાથે આ વિડીયોને શેર કરો. Okay, nothing else, सब लोगों के साथ ये वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए. और लाइक तो बनता है यार फ्रेंड्स, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं आप लोगों के लिए, तो प्लीज़. ओके, सो लेट अस गो. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू? So option is answer B. The baby is a male. Okay, a baby is male female is determined by the father's chromosome. Okay, so this statement is true. In tug of war, when two teams are pulling the rope, a stage comes when the rope does not move to either side at all. Which of the following is correct reason for this? The net force of forces acting on opposite direction is equal to the difference between the two forces. Okay, so it is equal. Now, which of the following does not happen due to friction? Okay, durability of chappal increases. Durability of chappal increases. This thing does not happen due to friction. Okay, which of the following are the benefits of special shape of an aeroplane? Okay, so answer is here. Okay, we can say answer is 1, okay, 3 and 4. So this is our correct answer. Okay, let's go forward now. Which of the following musical instrument, okay, uses air common to produce sound? We all know flute. Flute is the main instrument which requires, we have to blow the flute voice. Okay, which of the following is a false or loudness of the sound and amplitude of vibration? So answer is D. If the amplitude of vibration is increased to 4 times of its initial value, then the loudness of the sound becomes 6 times of its initial value. Okay, coming to question number 7. Used in everyday life, okay, chromium is cheaper, chromium has shiny appearance, chromium does not corrode, chromium resists the scratches. So answer is these 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I have done it here. Okay, now let's go. Okay, which statement is incorrect regarding the reflection of light? Which statement is incorrect regarding this reflection of light? It is D. If the angle of incident is 35, then the angle of reflection will be 55, because both the angle are equal at every moment. If this is 35, this also have to be 35. Okay, so this we can say that it is incorrect. Okay, now question number 9. Which of the following is not appropriate for the moon? Okay, after full moon day, every night is the size of the bright part of the moon illuminated by the sun increases. Okay, so this is the answer. After full moon day, that is Punam we call in Gujarati, every night the size of the bright part of the moon illuminated by the sun increases. Okay, now which part of the following are correct for the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect, all the 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, wait a minute, all these 3, 1, 2 as well as 3, all are correct. Okay friends, so this is the thing. Okay, next, answer the following, and this all answer I have written down for you all. Question number 2, 1, 2. Okay, everything. Let's go, let's see this answer. Okay, now friends, our PDF will be starting from this answer, from this, and then we will go on and on. Okay, now question number 2. Okay, answer the following. So answer I am reading for you. Secondary sexual characters that takes place during puberty in both boys and girls. Okay, so hair grows under the arms and the region above the thighs and the pubic region. Okay, another is difference between audible sound and inaudible sound. The sound that can be detected by the human ear, such as sound, are called audible sound. The frequencies is higher than 2000 vibration per second. So these audible sound which we can hear. Now inaudible sound, the sound that cannot be detected by the human ear, such sound are called inaudible sound. The frequency is less than 20 vibration per second. Okay, now contact force and non-contact force. A rolling ball comes out to rest carrying a load in a bullock cart, bring unlike poles of the magnet in contact. Okay, so pen slips off of your hand, and okay, this is the answer. Okay, now following the, okay, answer the following. Question number 3, this answer. Now we are seeing this answer. Okay, we are seeing these 4 answer now. from question number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's go. Potters place a round piece of cloth on their head when they carry heavy load, because to lesser the pressure. The larger is the area, less the pressure on the surface. Okay, this is the reason. Now second, you have to try by self. Okay friends, please try by self. One answer I am giving you. Okay, and please comment. And if you are new to my channel friends, अगर इस वीडियो पे सब्सक्राइब करोगे, लाइक मिलेगी, तो ही अगला वीडियो बनाऊंगा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, why can we hear? Okay, the eardrum is like a stretched rubber sheet. Sound vibration make a eardrum vibrate. Okay, so this makes eardrum vibrate. The eardrum sends vibration to the inner ear, then the signal goes to the brain. That's why we can hear. That is the reason. That is the only reason why we can hear. Okay, now let's go to next. Okay, next, precaution for eyes. We should use suitable spectacles. Okay, the first thing is we should use suitable spectacles. The second is do not look at the sun or the powerful light directly. Okay friends, do not look at the sun or the powerful light directly. Next, the major pollutants that pollute the air are carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, methane and sulfur dioxide. Okay friends, so these are the major pollutants, and these pollutants get mixed up with air and then air gets polluted. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, we have completed question number 3. Now we are going to question number 4, and that is this question number 4. Okay, now we are going to this question number 4. Okay, this we will be looking at this question answer. Okay, question number 4 is here. Okay, now teenagers should take special care during adolescence because the increase in activity of the sweat glands. Okay, so we have to take bath properly in the morning or in the day. Once per day is very important. All the body parts should be washed and cleaned every day. If the cleanliness is not maintained, then there are chances of catching bacterial infection. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. Exercise is also very necessary for physicality. We can say, what is acid rain? How does it cause marble cancer? Gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are added in the atmosphere by burning the fossil fuel in the vehicle. Okay, the gases react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere and form acid rain. This acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. This phenomenon is called marble cancer. Okay, now next is, after this is the another, what is toy mobile? Okay, we have to make it this is the how to make. The question was like how to make a toy telephone. So this was the question. Okay, and you can write down all these things. We find that sound can travel through wood or metal. In fact, sound can travel through any solid. You can perform interesting activity. So you can perform interesting activity so that sound can travel through string. Have you ever made a toy telephone? Can you say that sound travel to string? So this is toy telephone. You have to just describe the procedure. You have to just we can tie the string in the end of the glass and just connect it to the other glass. Okay, question number 6. Now we are going to question number 6 part 2. Okay, now how procedure of building how to make a simple electroscope at home. Now glass jar, what is required? A glass jar, a little piece of aluminum foil cut into small round, and then you need to put a hole in each end foil. This is the answer. Okay, now coming to this question 7, fill in the blanks. Friction is less when sprinkle powder on the carom board. Okay, friction becomes very less. Sliding friction is more than static friction. Dash is safe place when it rains with thunder. Reduce, reuse and recycle should be our mantra. Okay, dash can be seen in the eastern sky before sunrise and in the western sky just after the sunset. Okay, now this is the main thing. Complete the stating measurement of an angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Every time angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Every time angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So it is 15, 15, 50, 50, 25, 25, 80, 80 and 90, 90. Okay, so this is a very easy way. Now draw a label diagram. Okay friends, now I will be showing you this. Draw a label diagram of a human eye. So friends, you can see here the label diagram of human eye, you can ciliary muscles, iris, pupil, cornea, okay, retina, eyes, and optic nerve. So this is the label diagram of human eye. Okay friends, very easy. Then we will be seeing this at an individual level, how can you help to reduce air pollution? So this is the first question. Okay friends, so this is the first question. This is the first question which you answer. Okay, let us see now. At an individual level, the way to reduce air pollution are riding a bike or walking instead of drinking, taking a bus or carpooling, buying a car that has greater fuel efficiency, using energy efficient bulb and appliances. And this is the second. What precaution will you take to prevent water pollution? Okay, and at an individual level, I will consciously save water and not waste it. Reduce, reuse, and recycle should be our mantra. We can think of creative ideas like reusing water and water used for washing and for other household tasks. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to plant water plants in garden. Okay friends, and thank you very much for watching the whole video. And friends, share this video. I will be coming up with the next solution, okay, very soon, with social science. Thank you friends.